You've been told these foods are good for you, but what if they're silently ruining your health? Some of the so-called healthy choices you make every day, sugar-free snacks, canned veggies, even your favorite cookware, may be doing more harm than good. Stick with us as we uncover the 10 hidden dangers lurking in your kitchen. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more life-saving health tips. Let's dive in. 1. Sugar-free and diet foods. Don't let the sugar-free label fool you. Most diet products are packed with artificial sweeteners like aspartame and saccharin, chemicals linked to headaches, dizziness, and even cancer. According to the Journal of the American Heart Association, these additives may raise your risk of stroke and dementia. Swap these out for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, used sparingly, of course. 2. Microwave popcorn. Sure, popcorn can be a healthy snack, but not when it's zapped in a microwave. The bags are often coated with chemicals like BPA and BPS, which can leach into the food and harm your brain and hormones. The movie-style butter, salt, and sugar? That's just adding fuel to the fire. Stick to air-popped or stovetop popcorn for a cleaner crunch. 3. Non-stick cookware convenient? Yes. Safe? Not always. Non-stick pans release toxic fumes when overheated. These fumes have been linked to thyroid issues, liver damage, and even cancer. Trade them in for cast iron or stainless steel. They last longer and are far safer. 4. Canned tomatoes. Tomatoes are healthy, but not when stored in cans lined with BPA. This chemical disrupts hormones and has been associated with cancer and heart disease. Choose glass jars or fresh tomatoes when you can. 5. Frozen meals. Frozen dinners might save time, but they're loaded with sodium, preservatives, and unhealthy fats. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found high-sodium diets could raise the risk of stomach cancer. You're better off batch cooking your meals at home. 6. Vegetable oils. Common cooking oils like corn, soybean, and canola are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which cause inflammation when consumed excessively. This imbalance may lead to heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. Opt for olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil, and balance your fats with omega-3 rich foods like salmon and flaxseed. 7. Processed meats. Bacon, deli meats, and sausages are filled with sodium, nitrates, and preservatives. These have been strongly linked to colorectal cancer, according to multiple studies. Go for lean proteins like fish, chicken, or plant-based alternatives. 8. Creamy dressings and mayo. That rich flavor comes at a cost: saturated fat and cholesterol. Over time, these contribute to heart disease and clogged arteries. Switch to olive oil and vinegar, or try a Greek yogurt-based dressing for a healthier twist. 9. Fast food and fried foods. They're addictive, cheap, and everywhere. But they're packed with trans fats, sugars, and sodium, fueling obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. Studies show even one fast food meal a week can raise your cardiovascular risk. Reserve it for special occasions and look for cleaner, whole food options. 10. Alcohol. A glass of wine here and there? Fine. But regular or excessive drinking can cause weight gain, liver damage, heart issues, and certain cancers. Be mindful of how much you drink and always follow safe consumption guidelines. Think twice before trusting food labels or convenience. Your body deserves better, and now you know what to avoid. If you found this video eye-opening, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more health content that actually tells you the truth. Stay smart, stay healthy, see you in the next one.